In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use one WhatsApp account on two different phones at the same time. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So on the left side of the screens, I have my main phone on which my WhatsApp device is currently logged in. And on the right side, I have the other phone on which I want to log in the WhatsApp account as well. So in order to use one WhatsApp account on two different devices, what you have to do is to open your internet browser on the second phone. Click on the search bar and in the search bar type WhatsApp web. Click on search. Now click on this first link. Now click on this three dots at the top right corner and then click on this desktop site option. Once you see this QR code, open WhatsApp on your main phone. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then click on link devices. Now click on this link device option. Now point your camera towards this QR code. In this way, you can use one WhatsApp on two different phones. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.